Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we delve into the exquisite world of horological craftsmanship, where meticulous handwork and time-honored traditions create timepieces of unparalleled beauty and precision. Join us as we explore the artistry and dedication behind the craftsmanship of watches. At the heart of watchmaking craftsmanship lies the essence of handwork. Master watchmakers meticulously assemble each tiny component, meticulously adjusting and fine-tuning every gear, spring, and jewel to ensure flawless functionality and accuracy. Watchmaking traditions have been passed down through generations, ensuring the preservation of timeless techniques and knowledge. From the techniques used in engraving, guilloche, and enameling to the art of hand filing and hand polishing watch components, these age-old traditions form the backbone of horological craftsmanship. The artistry of watchmaking is evident in the intricate engravings and decorations adorning timepieces. Master engravers use delicate tools to meticulously carve intricate patterns and motifs onto dials, cases, and movement components, transforming watches into wearable works of art. The creation of Grand Feu enamel dials is a true testament to the mastery of watchmaking craftsmanship. The process involves layering multiple coats of enamel onto a metal base and firing it at high temperatures, resulting in a glossy, translucent finish that is both stunning and enduring. Haute Horlogerie refers to the highest level of watchmaking craftsmanship, where master artisans create exceptional timepieces with intricate complications. These complications, such as tourbillons, perpetual calendars, and minute repeaters, require meticulous handwork and exceptional skill to achieve flawless functionality and aesthetic beauty. Skeletonization is an art form in which excess material is meticulously removed from the movement, leaving behind an intricate and mesmerizing skeletonized structure. The movement is then meticulously finished by hand, with chamfered edges, polished screws, and perlage, showcasing the dedication to detail and craftsmanship. Becoming a master watchmaker requires years of apprenticeship under experienced mentors. The transfer of knowledge and skills from master to apprentice ensures the continuity of craftsmanship and the preservation of horological traditions. In an era of mass production, preserving the craft of watchmaking is of utmost importance. Watchmaking schools, workshops, and brands dedicated to preserving traditional craftsmanship contribute to the ongoing legacy of horological artistry. In conclusion, the mastery of horological craftsmanship is a testament to the dedication, skill, and passion of master watchmakers. From the meticulous handwork and adherence to time-honored traditions to the creation of artistic engravings, enameling, and complications, the artistry of watchmaking shines through in every intricately crafted timepiece.